Alright guys, so I wanted to do a quick little video here on what kind of wood carving gloves that I personally use when I'm doing all my whittling work and whatnot, because a lot of you have been asking what exactly type of gloves I use, what are these little finger guards that I use, and any other options that I would possibly recommend. Now, I did a whole video on testing out a bunch of different gloves in the past. You can check that one out if you want to. But this one is specifically for what I am actually using right now. For the little finger guards, which is what I carry around with me too, it's basically just athletic tape bandage. It's self-adhering ace wrap. It's basically just like the stuff that you use to wrap your arm or your hand with if you injure yourself. It sticks to itself, and you can put it on your fingers and just slide it off. They're all reusable. I find them very comfortable. You can they stretch and contour to your finger, so you can wrap it on your finger and it'll fit snugly. It won't slide around everywhere. And then the other gloves that I primarily use are these Dex Fit slice resistant gloves. They have a rubberized palm on it, and I know some other kind of rubberized palms, they leave like black residue on stuff. I found that these don't leave any of that black residue, and they stay on the glove pretty well, so you don't get like the black smudges all up on your gloves. They do eventually wear down over time. I've been using these for about a year, and one of the things I noticed too is if you are like pushing on the back of the blade when you're carving, you'll eventually wear like a slight hole into the back of the glove. What I've been doing lately is just, well, this one fell off of it, but I put another layer of the ace wrap on the glove, and it actually helps create an extra barrier there so it doesn't wear off as much, and it also makes it easier for easier on your thumb, so you're not pushing directly into the back of the blade, wearing out your thumb when carving. But these are the ones that I personally like to use. They're great. I'll have the link in the description below if you want to pick some up. I think they're like $15 to $17, relatively cheap. Otherwise, you can use the super basic anti-slice resistant gloves. These don't have the rubberized palm on it, but they're super cheap. I think you can get like a pair of them here for $5. And the nice thing about it too is you can use both of them on the left hand. Like, since there's no rubberized grip, there's no actual front or back, you can use them both on your left hand, or your holding hand, I should say, if you're carving with. That way your other hand doesn't have to have it. You can wear them both on both hands if you want to, but these ones are primarily one's for right hand, one's for left hand, so you have to keep that in mind when you're using those. Some other kind of things you can use, these are the ones that I see like Beavercraft and some other places using. They're more like a tool wrap. You can use them on your finger as well and wrap it on there, but they get really stiff and kind of annoying, to be honest. They're harder to reuse. Like I was saying, these just, you can slide them on and off. They stay on your finger really, really well, and they're dirt cheap. Like, I think for the roll I got it for like $8. I got 2 rolls, and I've made a bunch of these finger guards because just me being me, I misplaced them. Like, I just found this one a little while ago, but it's just like I make a bunch of them. I don't ever have to worry about losing them or them going bad. I just have a bunch of them to work with. So definitely, if all you have are these little tool tape things here, I'll show you. It's pretty thin. Let me find the little thing opening on here, but you're gonna have to put a lot of it on there. Where is it? I'll just do this one. But it's pretty thin stuff. You can see right through it. When you compare to this one, it's pretty thick. Like, you only need like 2 to 3 layers of this one to be fine. You'll need like 5 to 10 layers of this, and then it's gonna end up being pretty stiff. It's self-adhering as well. It's good. I like to use these on knife handles more than anything else, but for protecting fingers, definitely the ace wraps. I usually have one on my thumb and one on my finger right here. It helps prevent blisters, and also helps me if I want to like choke up on a knife. like if I'm gonna use a bigger knife like this one I just got, if I want to choke up on the knife right there, you see my finger, I can choke up on it and I can carve with it with a longer knife. It allows me to do that. So that's just what I use. There's plenty of other options out there, but these are the ones I found to be absolutely most effective for both my budget and keep everything flexible. Your fingers flexible and you can still hold on to everything.